It has been a blustery day across Colorado. A high wind warning is in effect for the Front Range and northern foothills, impacting travel. Take a look at these photos taken by a Denver 7 viewer in Wyoming. The wind was so strong it blew over multiple semi-trucks and closed a section of I-25 north of Fort Collins. A similar scene on Highway 287 today. Both of these roads are open at this hour. Colorado State Patrol says to take it slow if you need to drive and keep an eye out for flying debris. Thank you for joining us. For Denver 7 News at 5, I'm Micah Smith.
And I'm Jessica Porter. In addition to making travel dangerous, strong winds can increase the risk of avalanches in the high country. Denver 7's Maggie Wolanski is live in Idaho Springs. Maggie, how are the winds impacting that mountain community?
Jessica and Micah, I can feel those strong gusts of wind just coming through right here in downtown Idaho Springs. I want you guys to see a lot of the business signs right here. They've just been blowing back and forth constantly. And just a couple minutes ago, did power come on so we could finally see lights here in this downtown area. I do want to show you, I'm standing right in front of the Frothy Cup. Now, typically you can see right here, their hours, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., but they are closed right now. I talked to the manager inside. They did close because that power had been going on and off throughout the afternoon, and honestly it just came back just a couple minutes ago. Now, I reached out to XL Energy to hear what caused that outage. I was told earlier there was a car crash into a pole and that the wind is also causing equipment issues here in Idaho Springs. Now, the National Weather Service put out a high wind warning for the Front Range Mountains and the northern foothills, which remains in effect until midnight tonight. I sat down with our Denver 7 chief meteorologist Lisa Hidalgo to learn how these high winds can play a factor in triggering avalanches.
Two big factors when it comes to avalanche danger is heavy snow and then gusty winds, because those gusty winds will create kind of a weak slab on the mountain, and that's when we typically see, when the winds pick up, our avalanche warnings pop up.
The Colorado Avalanche Information Center did issue an avalanche watch for the Park Range, which is north of Steamboat Springs, as there is expected to be new snow and heavy winds up there. I spoke with Brian Lazar, the deputy director of the Colorado Avalanche Information Center, who said they are expecting to see natural avalanche activity up in the Park Range.
When you get new snow, you combine it with winds, we build stiff slabs over weaker underlying snow, and we see the potential for avalanches increase. And in this case, we're expecting some natural avalanche activity on Wednesday.
Now, Brian did say we are behind in numbers for avalanches compared to last year, and that's because we were so late in getting that snow. But again, we're up here, we're really feeling those effects of the high winds, and again, seeing it all around us. You know, just a couple minutes ago, again, did that power come back on.